Fraser here. This video wanted to talk about another Leads Leap system or capture page system angle that you can use to build your list. So if you are in Leads Leap, you can create this whole funnel for yourself. So basically, this is what this guy created. Powerful method to generating 5 to 10 leads daily with Safelist using a groundbreaking tool. This is something that I use every single day, and it doesn't take me that long, and I would say my average anywhere from 5 to 25 leads every single day. 7 days a week, Christmas, holidays, Thanksgiving. If you celebrate the holidays, if you don't celebrate the holidays, 7 days, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365, in some cases 366 days a year. And so this right here is a free Leads Leap system that you can use. When you come here, I'm going to show you the back end of it, and then I'm going to show you my edited version of it. So when you put in your information here, you're going to come back here and learn the secret. If you're looking at the video, you can see what the secret is. I use this tool, and then when you scroll down, because this guy did put a lot of stuff in here, and I use this tool. If you can see the mouse on my screen, I use both of those tools on a daily basis, and anywhere from 5 to 25 leads is the most I've gotten, and 5 leads is like the least. But every single day, 7 days a week, the leads come in, and yes, they do sign up for programs. It just depends on whatever it is you're promoting. So this capture page and this quote-unquote sales page comes with the Leads Leap system. You can join Leads Leap for free. You can create the capture page and create the sales page, all of that kind of stuff for free. Now, I will say that the original share code to this page, I'm going to show you what the original one looked like. This is what the original looked like. The capture page is on point. I might change some of those colors. I might make the background a little bit more light blue, but other than that, you can edit the capture page if you want. But I think it's fairly decent. I actually opted in this one. But I will change the background. It gives you like a dark, sort of dingy kind of mood. You want something light blue. That's why a lot of people have oceans and stuff in the background. But that's another conversation altogether. This right here was original share code. I think it was put together by this gentleman right here. I'm not 100% certain on that, but this is the this is the guy's website who I opted in. So originally he had it to where all of these safe lists that he was a part of are all right here. I'm as persistent as the next person. I can be, very on top of putting these online systems together. But I will say this is a lot. Like, it's just a lot. It's just ridiculously too much. What I've done was I took the same page. I got my link to my first tool up there, just like he does. And at the bottom, I have the link to my second tool. And then scrolling up, what I've done was I took his 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 people. The average person is not going to go through and click on every single one of these and set up an accounts. What I've learned through marketing, you got to give people bits and pieces at a time. You can't just throw the whole kitchen sink at them, because I've done that in my own marketing. I got better results making it simpler. And I feel that even my list is a little bulky, but these lists are what I mail out on a daily basis. Every single day, 7 days, every day, if I can. My Lead Gen Secret, Hercules, Leads and Profit, Infinity Mailer Boost. And then here, I get my personal training here. So when folks click on this, it'll take them to my page. And my page is something with my own personal videos on it that I talk about my Safelist strategy. Talk about what I do first, what I do second, my daily method of operation, the whole thing. And it's on a Leads Leap page to which you can get the share code. But that's basically it. The whole point is to have another way to build your email list. When you have a page like this, and then especially if you advertise it on Safelist, there's a lot of marketers out there not getting 5 to 25 leads a day on Safelist. A lot of people are getting overwhelmed. They think the strategy sucks. I've simplified it for myself because I'm a simple person. I like to keep things simple and easy. It gets redundant because it's like the same thing every single day. Every single day I surf my emails. Every single day I blast out the email. But that's what brings in the money, being consistent at doing mundane tasks. So just like going to work, but this is my own training page, to which I just have my videos, some more training, some tips, and then also at the very end I tie it into my primary business. And that's the point. You want to use this to attract other marketers. They get on your email list, and then eventually you build that relationship, and then eventually you email out your primary business. So that being said, wrapping this video up, the original share code is on the page when you scroll down here. Where is it? Where is the share code? Right there. The original share code will bring you to this page right here. If you're on my team, you want my share code, you got to opt into my email list. That being said, the link for that will be below in the description. Again, this is just another angle to build your email list. I only build one email list, and I have many different capture pages. I lead with different things. Another capture page, I'll lead with one of my mentors' story. Another capture page, I'll talk about my broke person's traffic plan. But it all goes into building one email list, one system, one group economics type deal. So anyways, wrapping this video up, the link to opt in will be in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!